Guys, just another video. I want to show you how you get down and you have to fillet these walleye. The most important thing is coming right behind the dorsal fin, and you want to go down for that initial cut, right? Once you get that initial cut in there, pull that thing all the way back towards the head and you will get right behind the gills. When you get there, you'll know because the whole thing will just give in. See how that whole thing just gave in right there? That's how you know you're there. So what you want to do is once you're behind the gill plate, you want to be able to come back, work it all the way down to the spine. Now, you don't want to let the knife do too much work when you're going through the spine. Technically, you can let the tip just run right through the top. You gotta clean that. You gotta clean that. When you get back to the back of its tail, and you know there's no more meat, go ahead and feel confident. Push that thing all the way through. Pull all the way through there and leave just a little bit of skin on there. All right, guys, very first time I've ever actually cooking and eating something that I physically caught myself, and sustainability is really big, so we didn't take more than we needed. Brody Moss, I want to say thank you very much for giving me new insight to life. Let me know that there's so much more out there that I never even imagined. Thank you so much, brother. This one's for you. About Brody Moss, man. You're the man, brother. I really hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate what you've done. I really, really do. Thank you so much. Would you look at that? Oh, it smells so good. Here. All right. Give it a shot. Here we go.
Good?
That's really good. Really flaky. Here we go.